Hello viewers, and welcome again to another edition of your program called Talk to the Camera. Concerning the Guinea border will be locked and they open tomorrow, plenty people on the raise concern and they grumble say, being that Ebola then a Guinea, then the worry say probably it will come na Salone where the border will open. This na thing where don't they happen as people on the grumble at the streets of Freetown. We can work at them at the streets of Freetown for get the views of people concerning what thing they say about this and what thing they think will happen next. Hello and welcome to this interview. You go please introduce yourself.
I'm Mohamed Ansumana.
Alright, Mr. Ansumana, as a citizen of Salone, what you go say concerning the Guinea border where they come open for make Sierra Leoneans and Zimbabwe get chance for going inside Guinea and Guineans they can Salone?
Well, the border open one, yes, it's fine, but in other way back, it's not fine for we for now because today we not get sick. We don't know what happen between Guinea and Salone where they lock the border. Would they be in a tape for let open the border? They never open the border. Now they say Ebola don't come back and it in Guinea. And if they can't open that border now, we must get that sick in Salone because Salone and Guinea will go in and out every blessed day. So for me, it don't make sense now for open the border. I prefer the border locked for now. Say until the sick less in Guinea before they go open the border.
But you know if you say it go bring some sort of difficulties for the business sector in Salone?
Yes, but I believe say well body come first. Where you say you do business, the business will grow and make profit. Now we get well body. But if the sick can just now, life important pass than this. So I prefer for now make the border lock until the sick done na Guinea before ever they go open and back.
So what's going to be final word to government?
The final word to government. Let it talk to the normal for let them open the border until the sick down at the country before ever they go to the border.
Right, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you too.
Hello and welcome to this interview. As a citizen of Salone, what can you go get for say concerning the fact that the Guinea border to Salone they can't open back, knowing that Ebola present in the Guinea?
So now welcome for this idea. I so much appreciate Gladys so much for this idea. As for me, my name Alhaji Mohammed Sako. Me for now, this Guinea border in OP1, I know they appreciate for now, let the opener, really. For me, because the corona, this Ebola, we don't go there so. Now, the thing is, I go say more than Ebola, corona. In bad past corona. Because corona, I go say, I thank God, die happen, but it never happen so much. But Ebola, it not be easy for we in this country. People have been dying so much. So, as for me, for now, Guinea border, let them lock up, let them give them small time.
Somebody go say, but this could affect the business now we country, being that say goods and services they exchange between Salone and Guinea. What do you go say about it?
Okay, thank you. Yes, but here is a business. Now well body can force. If we think about business, now well body can force. If you not get well body, you go do business. It go easy, you not go easy. So that mean well body they pray God for force. Before we think about business.
So finally, what will be your word to people they listen and watch about preventing themselves from corona?
Okay, for now, like me, like how them they say, this was done, this face mask, no take care for yourself, this gather in business, no give yourself small space, a value, necessary really, necessary. I appreciate so much. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Hello sir, welcome to this interview. Go please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Kabida Sila.
Mr. Silla, as a Sierra Leonean, what you go say concerning the Guinea border where they open tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm glad for Guinea border out there for open. I'm glad that if I let them open the border, a lot of people will get the business between Guinea and Salone, like how been no more.
But plenty people don't raise concern say they're afraid for Ebola making no go come back na Salone because of the Guinea border where they can't open.
Border and lock one not make sure. For say you lock border, or you open now, you know you block you for less sick not come. Then you know we block her. You know if you block border between Salone and Guinea, for less sick not cross Guinea, you can't. You know we block that day.
So is it that the people not afraid concerning say if Ebola the Guinea, Sierra Leoneans them lives are not at risk?
Salone and Guinea na same country. Yes, that na same country. Now no more what when they come boundary between here. It is if I'm in Guinea, one branch in Guinea, one branch in there. So if you say lock border, you go to lock border, but then they not go make it for say sick not cross you can't now. that you know we block the people on the suffer. Before that, the medical system, the aim for strength and no more for the border on side. There will be border, let people do their business.
So what will be your message now they send to the people responsible for medical business in Salone?
Okay, medical team, the aim for the in light no more. The border on side, let them go strengthen the border on side. You the cross for Congo, let them do the intensity and the other thing then they. But the border, the need for opening the border for the people in life going into normal.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you too.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Go please introduce yourself.
Emina Cheno Osman Jalo, the auditor na Hanavikuka Street for Keke Union. Now we are the auditor na ya na Hanavikuka Street.
To start with, you as the auditor na this place, how and which way you can able for talk to the one them way they around you, where you the audit for say this na time of COVID-19 and so we need for do for prevent yourself.
Yeah, they in order. Everybody knows the COVID-19 day now Salome. So everybody will know the COVID-19 is true, something like this is way knows enough good for him. So what they are, everybody will give yourself distance, will use the face masks as you know all they see, everybody in good order. So we know the corona is serious. Although it don't affect you a lot of things, it really affects you. Like we Keke Union, it really affects corona, don't affect you. It make a lot of affection, don't agree. But still with the patient because of the COVID, with the patient for let's still let the COVID done at this country.
Plenty people don't they raise concerns about this pandemic within a Salone presently. But then another issue will come up now where the border Guinea border to Salone be closed for some time, but now tomorrow then they open them. What you go say about this?
Well then Sierra Leone, you know say corona we don't can the disease and it pass to we na Salone corona impasse. Even the COVID-19, it look they will praise for the Salone, you know look here we. If na COVID-19 we go say we strong we resistance strong for COVID-19. And they will do nothing.
Corona you they talk about.
The corona in just like to tell you, in a Salomon because your resistance strong for that. Anybody will see get corona die not to Salomon. Because like Salomon will enough possible we in a Salon, you know go no side resistance strong against corona. Corona never will. But Ebola na sickness and they will Salon. So now I'm afraid. Because Ebola we don't kill a lot of people in a salon. Now this is the way me are the free pass corona. Corona you know they will. It is there men who they see corona they catch people in there with the men they well. But the Ebola a lot of people they go disturb people there. So now I'm afraid for that kind of road they say they open. They say Ebola they not Guinea. So they say they open the thing tomorrow about the road and the people they go for Komoya, they go Guinea, Guinea go for Komoya, they cannot salon. So that sickness I'm afraid. I'm afraid I'm past even the corona way in the salon.
But then plenty people will talk say this go affect the business sector in a salon because lots of goods where they come in a salon normally can come up from Guinea. What you go say about this?
Yeah, of course, yes, of course, because some business people and they go buy and come. But what do you like that for government who don't put in place if we don't make like goods where did they buy it? And then the customer, their business people in there, they get people in there, they own the customer then. If they anything they need of, they go for talk to the partner over there, they ship they put in a container, they seal and they cut on a salon. They go to do business like so that nobody will go now and they will go. When they do the business, they pay him money in dollar, they send them so that they will get the business, the motor they go to work out, then they go fine. But for some people they go for move and kaya my friend, because that's in the name with Sierra Leoneans then. Ebola na bad for Sierra Leone.
So what thing go be your message to the people who are responsible for medicine business in Salone?
Well, this we go for Talenti. Ebola be don't come once. They be don't see the vaccine day. So let us prepare now for that. Because anytime corona in a Guinea, wallahi Salone gets a must. Because if Guinea go corona, na it go for camp. So when Ebola don't dey, I'm afraid. So let us stay cool. Let us prepare for the first. Because if you open all day, definitely Ebola go for cross Salone. Because if anybody go na Guinea, he must go get contact with that. Especially who the federal sick department. So they put this in place for the medicine now. Because at any time, now if you open all day, Ebola go for come back. So let's prepare in preparation for that.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to this interview. Go please introduce yourself.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Lahai Amara.
Mr. Amara, as a citizen of Salone, what you go say concerning the Guinea border where they are open tomorrow?
Well, this Guinea border, we be don't lock, be don't affect me because me uncle na dey a girl must carry the run day. Then from where they be don't lock that border day, then a house, and then move again. Game don't lock, a get picked in a house. I really glad where President Bill go to the Guinea president. They sit down, they arrange where the OPD so there. I really appreciate. I really glad it.
But then plenty people on the raise concern say they afraid for the Ebola not go come out Guinea and cancer alone. What you go say about that?
It's military about talk no more. We president another time. We just see we there we say the Ebola don't come on. It don't come on Guinea. We tell the president Beyonce let it stand strictly. Let it not allow that road day, that border they let it not open out until the sick if they able men and Guinea. So president able open for can't open that border road day. But for me, I advise the president and let it stick on the road outside the border day. Let not allow nobody. Let not go inside. Let not go inside until we say the sick. It don't less now Guinea.
Alright. Earlier you mentioned some challenges where you face because of the border will be closed. So like if you feel certain challenges, them you go able to withstand them and make the border still closed.
As the sick. This because Ebola is very bad. I remember during past government Ebola times. My auntie, my brother, my uncle, they die. We now have that kind of news again, as Saloa again. Ebola is very dangerous. For me, let President Bill not open that border until Guinea they maintain the sick, the Ebola. Let them maintain the sick na that side. The advice I give President. It doesn't mean although say what they talk, but I don't allow Ebola again. Let not kind of Saloa again. Yeah, and my advice and they give to the President. Yes, Lord, all can Lord maintain. The badat will get to yourself. Lord, all come together. Lord, pray to God. What if Papa get for we? Let it do for we. If this sick here, COVID-19 can, we pray to God. Let God let come on our country. Because for now, we go play ball. We go club. We do this now. All till just stop her. Even this coffee order, like me, the point will care. At the worker, tell the car they late. You see, me the thing. I say, what did happen at the country? There, me at the third Papa government say this coffee order will lock out. I dey talk to them. They are in 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock list. Let them put up. People they suffer. Walk on the street. I see the people they suffer. The one way they get them out, they put out there. Now halfway they run right now. You see, and this is not necessary to the government. You see, they keep planning. When they say passenger, they go turn at Calbaton, they turn at PNB, they turn at Upgon. They never reach na Bombay. Parties they never reach. Now halfway they turn. So people they suffer really for transport for this coffee order.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Hello to you. Welcome to this interview. Do please introduce yourself.
Me na Samuel Fode from Bo. So as for me to start with the border open one, I be dey feel confidence where it be locked because we believe say some of the people then end that they go buy business for low able sustain no life. However, we're not too strong enough like Guinea then day. Or them be local, they gumbo, let that man try, by all means let them open now. The president don't try, but let them try for come together, let Guinea border open and that younger issue, all na fine initiative. But presently, why don't you reduce Ebola business back during the weekend? And officer sense they for let open present moment. Because the last time we began Ebola doing 2014, now end up back will begin area. Before time they go, all the border will be the share things in common back. Now they back a cancer alone. It kill a lot of life. So me as for me, I not see sense they for let open now.
But then you mentioned say people they go na Guinea for go buy goods and are then source of livelihood than they. What if you say go happen to them people in there?
Well, just like how we don't they manage. For now, we just don't begin to record the case there. Our law still the hold on for us. Law they watch how the cases that they go on. If either they reduce or they increase. So that's how we go able to know now if we wait they follow go they. But presently, law they observe things first. Law no they travel it as for me own sense.
Alright. So what's going to be final to the people who are responsible for medicine business in Salone?
I send me message to the president, especially government of Sierra Leone, they are let the hold on first, even though if they don't agree for the border open, let they observe things first until they go on until they open now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Go please tell me your name.
First of all, my name is Saul Lahai Jambai.
As a citizen of Salone, what do you think about the Guinea border where they open tomorrow?
Well, actually, the Guinea border where they open tomorrow, some citizens in this country, they're really glad because of why the situation they go on, where they go on at this country. Country they show go with a grumble, things that they go up properly because of why the economy, or they make the economy back now able to rise up. But since by the open by the border back tomorrow, back in the weekend back, we get a cases back where they say Guinea don't find a Ebola case. So as for me, if they say that they can't open this border back, well, you know, affect it through by the Ebola back or not. So me for me, I not see no reason for opening that border it until me they go to observe how the situation they go on with the Ebola pandemic where they open where they rise up. They not go not do the business transaction go and come rapidly if I go effective go end up forget Ebola. Corona another if we can't get another sick back corona Ebola it go find it difficult for we the city. Ebola you know the past years from 2014 nothing it do it kill some of the people there where they don't have dirty. So if Ebola come back at the same time, at the same thing will repeat back. But since we don't fight around them, but we don't find out again, we don't get Ebola, right? They want to open the border. I don't see no sense for that. May they anger force, may they observe how the young situation will end up from there. Based on that, they go open the border.
You talk about the transaction of goods and services. The people where depend on transferring goods from Guinea for Camp Salone for can do business. What do you feel say for be done for them?
The people that they do goods and services from Guinea to Salone, the only way is me to try for talk to the people that may they exercise patient until may they wait because of why if really they get love for the city they go really impatient patient till until they wait how the situation but Ebola they go on how they able control and put things together so that when they go and come, you know, they infected and they were infected. Balance cities the way they left at the country. So may they really made the patient and wait because of I know that now from there they go we got the market and they get their own survivor and come back now. But see about that may the ends patient and wait from there say until they wait how did they hang up the situation right where they go on with Ebola.
So finally, what will be your message to the one that is responsible, the minister responsible for goods and services business in Salone, and the one that is responsible for health business in Salone?
Well, finally, I talk to the Minister of Health and Sanitation. Since he go with the President, retired Brigadier Julius Maada on Monday to the President of Guinea, Alpha Condé. England know what thing they go on right now in Guinea. From now, we not get vaccinated for Corona. And if Ebola back on, we not able to get vaccinated to that. So how they able for come, for go and come? How they not put the mechanism in place it? So me may they wait first until they wait. May they put how they control situation like that before they open the border. So they may they not do things like that. May they get love for this country, get love for the city.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay.
Viewers, una self don't listen as different people give their own talk concerning the border of Guinea where they open tomorrow. Then people are so raise concern say they're not glad because them believe say the Ebola go come back na Salone. Others think say na a right thing for do for make the border open because of the goods and services where they exchange between Salone and Guinea. Maybe the program can't to them your name na Kona Sise. Until we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera, I say tata.